How do you charge your EcoFlow solar generator if there's no sun? Welcome to Outdoor Gear 411.
With Robbie and Adrian.
Well, we are going to try this EcoFlow Alternator Charger. I hope it works. If you saw our video testing out the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max, if you didn't, you need to go back and watch it after this one, then you saw that there are 4 ways to charge it. Solar panels, your car's 12-volt system, an AC wall outlet, and the EcoFlow Alternator Charger. The vehicle's 12-volt takes forever. The solar panels are kind of a bust unless it's ideal scenario, and you're not always going to have shore power or an AC outlet. So this is where the alternator charger comes in. Supposedly, you simply plug in your generator and it charges while you drive down the road. I'm really interested to see if this works. Full disclosure, we did not install this ourselves. We went to our favorite local car stereo installation place. They've already done some work for us on the van, including installing, very important, cruise control. So we knew that they would do it right and they could probably do it a lot quicker and a lot better than we could. They worked on it for a couple of hours and had to take the driver's seat out. So I'm thinking getting them to do it was a good call. We had them mount it to the side of our sink cabinet. Lots more to come on that, so you might want to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss that video when it comes out. Let's test and see if it'll actually charge our generator. The Delta 2 Max is currently at 0 power. We ran it completely down for this test. First step, we're going to start the van. Now for our second step, we got to turn on the charger, which is right here. And we're on. Now we take this cable and we are going to plug it directly into this battery port on the side of our generator. Oh. All right, so it's working. We're at 0%, 300-ish watts of input. It says at this rate, it'll take about 6 hours. They say it's going to take about 2 hours and 45 minutes while you drive. Now I'm going to take the van for a little ride. Don't worry, I'm not going to drive for 2 hours and 45 minutes. We're just going to go down the road for, I don't know, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Get an estimate for how it seems to respond. About a 13-minute drive, we got 6% of battery. Straight up math with that, you're looking at about 3.5 to 4 hours. But whenever I was going faster, there was more energy coming in. So I could see that 2 hour, 45 minute, 3 hour mark being about right. We got about an hour and a half drive, so we're gonna see how charged we are after that. So we were in the car about an hour and a half, and we are up to 53%. Roughly 3 hours-ish, give or take, it would take to get that powered. So that's pretty exciting. If you're on a trip and you're driving from one place to another, it's great that you can charge it up as you go. The more we use this EcoFlow Delta 2 Max, I think the more I like it. If you found this video helpful, please give us that thumbs up. Subscribe, watch as many of our videos as you can. We really appreciate it. Comment and let us know if you have one of these. How has that worked for you? Most importantly, thanks for watching.